Hi, I'm Brian, and I'm a bike touring, bike packing enthusiast who loves to see beautiful parts of the world, self-propelled on two wheels. Well, it's a little more than that. You see, at my core, I believe our world is desperately in need of adventure. The type of experiences that not only stretch ourselves for personal growth, but also help us to reset our perspective on living beyond our daily monotony and the negative messaging that seems to predominate so much of the mass media. I started Ride Along Adventures to promote this spirit of adventure through long-form, ride-along videos that share experiences from some of the best trails that I can find. Whether you're preparing for a journey yourself and want to be more familiar with the surroundings, or you want to ride along with a smart device or on a bike trainer, please join me. I'd encourage you to hit the subscribe button so you can enjoy other trips I'm planning. And I really hope to see you out on an adventure someday.